Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I am at the grocery store right now. Tonight I'm going to my friend's house and we're having a big baking party with everybody, so I need to go buy a couple things. I have most of it at home. There's just a few things that I didn't have. I'm making some Christmas sugar cookies, some fudge, and these walnut chocolate chip cookies, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna go buy a few things so that we can make those tonight. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. After I go grocery shopping, I'm gonna pick up some lunch, and then I'm probably gonna go home and chill for a bit. I do have to get a basket because we have to make a little raffle basket for the craft fair tomorrow, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, let's go shop. Okay, so I got most of what I needed there. They didn't have any Christmas sprinkles or frosting, so I'm gonna go to Walmart and see if they have the stuff I need there. I also need some cookie boxes, which they didn't have here. I have a few at home. I just don't know if I have enough. So yeah, I'm gonna see if they have that at Walmart, because this is more of a little specialty store, so we'll see. This is mainly just a grocery store, so we'll see if they have stuff at Walmart. Okay, Walmart ended up having everything else I needed, so that was good. I got a couple things of cookie boxes. I got 4 of them, and then I got they had all the icing and sprinkles and stuff, so yay, we got all the goods to make cookies tonight. Now I'm gonna go pick up lunch. It's almost noon, so I'm gonna pick up lunch, eat it, and then I'm gonna pack up all the baking stuff that I need to bring over to Stephanie's, and we're gonna go ahead and bake. Since we got back from the convention and we have no food at home and we're just starving. I mean, we have food, but it all involves cooking. No, we don't actually have any meat at all. We bought stuff for sandwiches, and I have a couple breakfast items and pizza rolls and ramen, but we don't have any actual food for meals because we haven't gone shopping yet, and I haven't renewed my Sam's Club membership, and I refuse to pay the amount of money Walmart wants for 3 chicken breasts. So we go to Sam's Club and buy food in bulk because this stuff's expensive. I literally bought sprinkles, 4 packs of icing, cookie boxes, and parchment paper at Walmart just now, and I spent $30. I got so much more stuff when I went to the other grocery store. I bought condensed milk, brown sugar, butter, other baking things, and I spent $20. Walmart is not saving me money anymore. Hey guys, so it's right around 3:30. Just kidding, it's 2:30. It's right around 2:30. I'm heading to my friend's house now for a baking party. I didn't know a bag full of baking things would be so heavy, but it is. Yeah, so I loaded my car up with some baking supplies, so I'm bringing everything over there so we can bake. Damn it. My yarn's on the porch. Hold on. Got my Premier order. I'm just gonna bring that with me, I guess, because it was sitting on the porch and I don't feel like going back inside the house. But yeah, this is actually for Stephanie's husband. He ordered a dragon, so finally we can work on that. That's exciting. Anyway, I'm heading out now to go to her house and do our baking party with some friends. So it should be a fun night. Yeah, that's the plan. I was home for a little bit after going out and running some errands and doing some shopping, and I played a little bit of Disney Dreamlight Valley. So fun. If you don't play it, I really enjoy it. So yeah, I just didn't feel like crocheting a lot today, just because I've been spending all week crocheting, and the craft fair is literally tomorrow, so I feel like I'm not going to finish anything in time. And I literally stayed up till 11 o'clock crocheting a birthday present for my friend last night. So yeah, I'm kind of crocheted out for a minute, even if that's even possible for me. But I don't know. I just felt like relaxing, so I felt like I had a lot to do today. And I still like have to go to the bank and get cash out for the craft fair tomorrow for our bank. I don't know if I'm gonna do that or if Stephanie's gonna do that, but I think the banks are closed now. Or closing soon. So I don't know. Maybe Stephanie will just do that in the morning. I have to see. I also have to get together our raffle basket because there's like a little raffle for the craft fair, so I have to get that together at some point. I need to stop for gas before we go anywhere because I'm like on E, because one thing about me is I wait till the last minute to get gas.